Welcome to Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan valedictory event. I, Shweta Kumar, along with my co-host Dr. Ashutosh Ji, will be hosting you today. It's a privilege and pleasure to welcome you to the concluding ceremony of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, a unique national program dedicated to nurturing scientific temper and curiosity among school students across India. Since yesterday, we have witnessed the brilliance, enthusiasm, and innovative spirit of our young Vidyarthis who have truly lived up to the vision of VVM, that is to identify and celebrate science talent at an early stage. On behalf of Vigyan Bharati, NCRT, NCSM, and a host institute, IIT Kanpur, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries, teachers, parents, and most importantly, the students who have traveled from across the country to be here with us today. We are deeply honored to have with us eminent professors, educators, and leaders who have been guiding light for India's journey in science and innovation. Your presence totally reaffirms the collective vision of building a scientifically empowered, self-reliant nation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come together to celebrate not just the winners, but the spirit of scientific inquiry that unites us all through VVM. Please give a big round of applause for unwavering dedication, determination, sleepless nights, and countless hours put in by everyone here today. Put your hands together for every single one of you from back to front. Come on. Thank you. So students, how had been your examination? Could you sleep last night? So which all states are here? Can we just guess and count? Madhya Pradesh, let me start from the center of the country. Home state, Uttar Pradesh. Tamil Nadu. Punjab. Kerala. How about Gulf countries? How many of you from Gulf countries? Parents from all the states, please raise your hands. Students, please give a big round of applause for your parents. We are just waiting for Professor Manindra Agarwal to come here, and then we will further continue the session. Thank you. Rajasthan, okay, come on, Rajasthan. Gujarat. West Bengal. Goa. Uttarakhand. Telangana. Maharashtra, okay, Maharashtra. Puducherry. Anyone left? Okay. For the country, for India, Bharat Mata, come on. Okay, now I would like to invite Mr. Mokshit Basneni from Gulf. He will be saying few words and will be giving the feedback about the examination that has recently happened. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Namaste. My name is Mokshit Basaneni, and I'm representing the state of Qatar. I would like to say a few words about the examination and the organization of the event. The examination, it really boosts how a person thinks and develops them for future examinations. And I'm really thankful for the opportunity that I was able to come here. Thank you.
I would now like to humbly request Professor Sunil Mishra, General Secretary, Vigyan Bharati, Brahmavrat Pran, to kindly come forward and be seated on the dais. Professor Sunil Mishra. Requesting Dr. Brijesh Pandey, Controller of Examination, VVN, to kindly come forward and be seated on the dais. I now humbly request Professor Ganti S. Murthy, National Coordinator, Indian Knowledge System, to please join us on the stage. Humbly requesting Professor J. Ramkumar, Dean of Infrastructure and Planning, IIT Kanpur, to please come forward and be seated on the dais. I would now like to invite Dr. Arvind Ranade, Director, NIF and Secretary, Vibha, to please come forward and be seated on the dais. Requesting Professor Manindra Agarwal, Director, IIT Kanpur, Dr. Shivakumar, National Organizing Secretary, Vigyan Bharati, and Professor Abhay Karandikar, Secretary of Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, and Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, to please come forward and be seated on the dais. I would now request Dr. Muktaji Bhatele to please come forward. To commence the proceedings, may I request the team to kindly present planters and memento as a gesture of respect and welcome to our esteemed guests on the dais. I would now request Dr. Muktaji Bhatele, Mahakoshal Prant, to offer planter and memento to Professor Abhay Karandikar. Requesting Kanna Benji, Dakshin Tamil Nadu, to offer planter and memento to Dr. Shivakumar Sharma. I would now request N. Bishwamitra Singh from Manipur to kindly offer planter and bouquet to Professor Manindra Agarwal. I would now request Ahmad Ali ji from Ladakh to offer planter and bouquet to Dr. Arvind Ranade.
गुजरात प्रांत से राज्य समन्वयक विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन श्री मनसुख नरैया जी का मैं आह्वान करूंगा कि वो मंच पर आएं और प्रोफेसर जे राम कुमार डीन ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड प्लानिंग को प्लांटर देकर के सम्मानित करें। मनसुख नरैया जी। बच्चों, इससे ज्यादा तालियां तब बज रही थी जब आप लोग नहीं बैठे थे। इसी क्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं मालवा प्रांत से पधारे हमारे विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन के राज्य समन्वयक डॉक्टर शिवलाल मेदवा जी से आह्वान करूंगा कि वो मंच पर आएं और इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम मिशन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन का जो एक इनिशिएटिव है उसके नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर प्रोफेसर घंटी एस मूर्ति को पुष्पगुच्छ देकर, प्लांटर देकर और प्रतीक चिन्ह देकर सम्मानित करें। शिवलाल मेदवा जी। देवगिरी प्रांत से पधारे विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन परीक्षा के राज्य समन्वयक आमोल कुंबलकर जी, यदि मेरी आवाज उन तक पहुंच रही हो। आमोल जी, मैं निवेदन करूंगा कि आप मंच पर आएं और इस विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन परीक्षा के कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन एवं इंसा के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर ब्रजेश पांडे जी को पुष्पगुच्छ देकर, प्लांटर देकर और प्रतीक चिन्ह देकर सम्मानित करें। क्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं असम प्रांत से विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन के राज्य समन्वयक राजीव जी शर्मा से आग्रह करूंगा कि वे मंच पर आएं और विज्ञान भारती ब्रह्मावर्त प्रांत के महासचिव प्रोफेसर सुनील मिश्रा जी का प्लांटर देकर एवं प्रतीक चिन्ह देकर अभिवादन करें।
Ladies and gentlemen, we also would like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Mayank Dwivedi, Director, DMSRD, DRDO Kanpur, who is present with us. Thank you, sir. To set the tone for today's evening, I invite Dr. Arvind Ranade, Director NIF and Secretary Vibha, to deliver the welcome address. Let's give him a big round of applause.
धन्यवाद। Most respected dais, dear children, the people on the dais, I think my job is to welcome them, but before that, I would like all of you to know what kind of dignitaries are sitting in front of you. And perhaps many of you might feel the dream come true. The most respected Honorable Secretary of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Professor Abhay Karandikar. I think I wish that he should be known across the globe for his real contribution to the field of science, technology and communication. My dear friends, parents, I think most of us now, the mobile that we hold in our hand, we always speak, मेरा आपका नंबर, आपका मोबाइल 5G enabled है क्या? I think many of you must be asking this question, especially in the time when you want all communications to be in the fastest possible. And if at all in this country, if who has brought this 5G technology, then none other than the respected Professor Abhay Karandikar, a man known for the wireless communication in the country. And before he took over as a Secretary of Department of Science and Technology, he was the director of the same institute where we all are sitting. And he is also the alumni of the IIT Kanpur. So I am pretty sure most of you must be looking, how can I be a person like a Professor Abhay Karandikar? And that's what I think when we all should go with. We have another dignitary who has been part of this inaugural function as well. Guest of honor and the director of IIT Kanpur, Professor Maninder Agrawal. Again, dear friend, you have heard about him, but I think something you might not be known about him. I hope, since we all are the students, especially when the subject like mathematics comes to us, we always try to see and keep on wondering how to find the largest prime number. Am I right? And the man who designed an algorithm to find the largest prime number, and along with his two students, and he is also for that, I would say, you all must know the award that he got is a Clay Research Award in 2002, and he is known across the globe for his great contribution for identifying the primarily of the number. And today he is also contributing in the quantum technologies and quantum mechanics. And that's why I want all of you to know that the kind of people who are addressing you are the motivation. The one that you all will feel proud when you get the awards by these people. We could have brought various people for all of you. But I want, rather entire team of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan wants the people whose contribution in the field of science and technology should be known to all of us. In fact, our basic motive for VVM is also the same. So I welcome both of them, who is the important dignitaries for all of you to motivate for the great contributions that we as now the senior citizens or likely to be a senior citizen expect that all of you should be looking forward to be like them. Of course, the Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, it comes to who is the one who has started it. Then obviously I must tell you that there are a lot of government initiatives, there are a lot of schemes, but the program which has been organized, initiated, which is actually trying to evaluate you in all the possible ways. I think you have gone through the what you call peer-to-peer learning, understanding the 360-degree evaluation, understanding the creativity among you, innovation spirit, understanding the various reasoning and what science and mathematics you all know about. And then of course, a man who keeps on not only motivating, but who keeps on guiding. And the person who makes continue to work all the Karyakartas of Vigyana Bharati is none other than the National Organizing Secretary, respected Dr. Shiv Kumar Sharma ji. We also welcome you. And the entire Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, the team, I must tell you, dear friends, parents, that Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is a huge program. This has been carried out by the simple Karyakartas by a team of about 500 people across the country. And the person who is leading, along with him, there is a core team of Vigyana Bharati who works day and night to make this kind of a success to all of you. We have got another person with us who discussed with all of you, and that is Professor Ganti Murthy, who is the National Coordinator of Indian Knowledge System. And you must have seen the kind of work, the kind of things that the government of India is trying to take to all of us. And along with them, we have got Sunil Mishra ji, who is the Secretary of Vigyana Bharati Brahmavarth. We have Professor Ram Kumar, a person, I would say the architect or the person who made this particular function a great success, Professor Ram Kumar ji from IIT Kanpur, and Dr. Brajesh Pandey, who is leading our academic part of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. And as well as we have got a lot of people in the first line who are sitting. I welcome all of them. Along with them, we have got a beautiful evaluators who are there. There are state coordinators. There are various stakeholders of Vigyana Bharati and the people from NCSM and NCRT who are part of this. So I welcome all of them as well. And the most important welcome belongs to all of you and parents who is ensuring that Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is an important platform for all your children, and you yourself children also feels that you learn. And I think the feedback is going to give you that particular answers to when it comes to feedback. So that's all I wanted to welcome all of them and make you understand who is sitting and standing in front of you are the leaders of science and technology of our nation. We all should be proud of. I welcome you all once again. Dhanyavad.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद महोदय। आज जैसा कि हम सभी को विदित है कि हम सभी यहाँ पर विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन परीक्षा के नेशनल कैंप के लिए यहाँ उपस्थित हुए हैं और जो विद्यार्थी यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं वो 3 स्टेजेस, आज उनका तीसरा स्टेज है जो क्वालिफाई करके यहाँ पे आए हैं। तो कुछ छात्रों के मुख से भी सुनने में समझ में आएगा कि हम लोग जिन्होंने इस पे काम किया, छात्रों ने परीक्षा दी, तो क्या भाव है उनका। तो एक स्टूडेंट फीडबैक जो कि मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत ही आवश्यक होगा और इसका प्रारंभ कक्षा 7 के विद्यार्थी से करते हैं। तो मैं कक्षा 7 के विद्यार्थी जो यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं, अर्जुन मिश्रा, अर्जुन सुन रहे हैं मेरी बात? हाँ, प्लीज़ आप आइए और बताइए कि आपका अनुभव कैसा रहा विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन का।
Vande Mataram everyone. So, my name is Arjun Mishra. I am a student of grade 7th and this is my second time at the VVM National Level Camp. You know, it is such a surreal experience to be here. I have been dreaming about this moment for 2 to 3 months ever since it was announced. And now that it is here, the serotonin and the adrenaline in me has no bounds. What I am especially excited about is obviously the IIT Kanpur campus and the VVM exam itself. What I like the most about VVM exam and what makes it different from the other exams, in my opinion, is that VVM not only allows you to display your academic prowess, but it also gives you a platform to develop holistically, 360-degree learning. It gives you a chance for peer learning. I even learned how to say my name is Arjun in Khasi, Nakritai Arjun. And I'm really thankful to my friend Aranyak for that. And one of the biggest things which only VVM does, no other exam in the world, no other competition in the world, is the experimental skill test. It is really nice to be here. Thank you. It is really nice to be here and do those experiments ourselves, discover things ourselves, not just follow what has been told to us, but experiment and then follow. Finally, before I go, I would like to thank the volunteers, especially Vijay Bahadur sir, for always being there for me and for the group, along with the organizing committee and the invigilators for making the experimental part of the exam seamless, and also Kuldeep Avasthi sir right here for making me feel right at home. And with thanks, Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अर्जुन। कक्षा 8 से आद्विका नारिकर और कक्षा 10 से 2 छात्रों को मैं और आमंत्रित करूंगा। एक छात्रा है निथिला और स्वयं मिश्रा। निथिला, स्वयं मिश्रा, आ जाइए।
Namaste to one and all present here. My name is Advika Narkar. I am from class 8th and I live in Indore, but I'm originally from Mumbai. And today I'm here to give my feedback on VVM, that is Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. So personally, I believe that Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is an enriching experience for every student who has an aptitude in science and mathematics. Moreover, the best thing about VVM, according to me, is that it enhances the students' creativity. It allows students to think creatively and think about innovative solutions to everyday problems. Moreover, VVM is not just an enriching experience. It is also an opportunity to socialize and get to know about India and its culture. For instance, there are regular questions about Indian knowledge system, the Indian culture and our heritage, and therefore students are able to learn more about what is really India. Moreover, students also get to collaborate and interact with other children from all parts of India. Therefore, I believe that VVM is an experience which everyone must VVM is an experience that everyone must have so that they feel great. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all present over here. Most respected dignitaries, respected parents, and my dear friends. Myself, Swayam Mishra of class 10 from Odisha, and today I feel very honored to have got this golden opportunity to share my feedback on the 2 days national camp at IIT Kanpur. This is my second time participating at the VVM and first time appearing for the national level camp. And the very first thing I would like to share about VVM is that, as everybody told, that it is very different from the conventional exams, because in other exams where you have to learn and jot down on your answer sheet, VVM is very different from them. Here it doesn't only checks our academic prowess but also looks at a person through various aspects, through experiments, through interactions, interviews, where every person can be verified through every aspect. And here 2 days have been so great in the prestigious campus of IIT Kanpur, where and in the various laboratories that I went, and in the curriculum where I got to know about the sanity my soil holds, my country, and to learn about our culture and the experiments, everything. It was a privilege to be here 2 days camp, and irrespective of if I win or not today, it was definitely a great experience, and everybody should participate, for it helps in the overall development of a person, scientifically as well as personally. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Nitira MS from class 10 and I am here to share my feedback on VVM exam. So this is my second time at national level camp at VVM for VVM. So both experiences were equally fruitful. I feel that every student must get an opportunity to write this exam, because this all the activities were curated to assess all the students in various aspects and angles, and all the questions were so thought-provoking that compelled us to think out of the box, which we may not have done unless we have been put into such circumstances. So I've always enjoyed VVM and I like to do experiments, and this exam has given me the platform to express all my talents in practicals. So thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, students. Up next, we welcome Dr. Shiv Kumar Sharma, National Organizing Secretary, Vigyan Bharati, to deliver a special address. Please give him a big round of applause.
Namaste. What happened? Namaste. Very good. स्टूडेंट्स की आवाज़ तो लाउडली होनी चाहिए ना। मंच पे विराजमान आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि डीएसटी के सेक्रेटरी परमादरणीय अभय करंदीकर जी, इस संस्थान में जिसमें हम लोग 2 दिन से अलग अलग प्रकार के ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग सेशंस कर रहे हैं। इस संस्थान के यशस्वी डायरेक्टर प्रोफेसर बरेंद्र अग्रवाल जी, मंच पे विराजमान अन्य सभी विशिष्टजन, इस सभागार में उपस्थित आप सभी, विभिन्न स्थानों से पधारे हुए अभिभावक बंधु भगिनी, विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन और विज्ञान भारती के दायित्व वाले सभी कार्यकर्ता, तथा प्रिय विद्यार्थी भाइयों बहनों, when we are talking about the Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, there are three words: Vidyarthi, Vigyan and Manthan. Do you know who is the Vidyarthi? To whom you will say the student? When you are going to school and learning something, that's only your student, or every person who want to learn, who want to gain the knowledge, each and every time, every person is student. Is it right or wrong? Every person is student, myself also, including you also. Because I want to learn something. When three students giving the experience here, they talking up, we have gained the knowledge like this and that. That means we are understanding, we try to learn what they are saying to us and what they are doing with us. तो every person, प्रत्येक व्यक्ति जो कुछ सीखना चाहता है, want to learn, want to gain the knowledge, so every person is student. Formal students, we say, because we have registered in the particular class, we are going to the school, we are attending the class, and then we are giving the exam, and we get the marks. That is not the definition of a student. Vidyarthi means the person who want to gain the knowledge, who want to learn each and every time. Every person is student. प्रत्येक व्यक्ति विद्यार्थी है. Second word is geology. Only these words is science or something else also? What do you understand by the science? Yeah, everything which is going in a particular process, the whole nature is science. We observe, the scientists observe what is going on in the nature. They find out some results. They are doing some experiments. So everything in surrounding us, everything is science. And Manthan? What is Manthan? Storming. What is the actual definition of a Manthan? Have you listened Samudra Manthan? What is that? Samudra Manthan. When we talking about the Manthan, there are two directions. When we rubbing the hands, one is the left to right and another is right to left. That means positivity and negativity, both is combined and both is in activate mode, then the result will become into Manthan. Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, VVM, conducted by the Vigyan Bharati, the actual purpose of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, during this age, when we are attending the class 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, during this age, we only some time of some kind of syllabus our academic team have prescribed you, and we have prepare and school level, then state level, state camp, and after that national camp we are attending it. We will get the marks. Someone will be the first place, someone will be the second place or third place, like that. But actual purpose of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is what? As students, our observation system about the science, about the this nature, when we are thinking about that one, and we are finding something new, some innovative ideas when we are doing like this, then we can say we have attained the system of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, and after that the basic purpose जो विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन का मूल उद्देश्य है वो हम पूरा कर रहे हैं। तो एज आई थिंक विज्ञान भारती के कार्यकर्ता के नाते से मेरा आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट यही है, ओनली दिस वन आई वांट टू से टू यू, व्हेन यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन, मे बी स्कूल लेवल, मे बी स्टेट कैंप और मे बी नेशनल कैंप, तो वी शुड थिंक, वी शुड लर्न, वी शुड गेन द नॉलेज in the scientific process. So many type of the problems in society nowadays. But as a student of science, we are finding, we are identified the problem and we are giving the solution in the scientific way. Then we will say that we have attained in the proper process in Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan of a national camp. तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इस 2 दिन के अंदर जो आपने अनुभव किया है स्कूल लेवल से लेकर के नेशनल कैंप तक, उस अनुभव के आधार पर द वे ऑफ थिंकिंग इन द साइंटिफिक प्रोसेस आपके मस्तिष्क में विज्ञान सम्मत पद्धति से जो कुछ आइडियाज आएंगे, कुछ इनोवेशंस आएंगे, उसके आधार पर आगे चल करके यहाँ एक अच्छी डिग्निटी जो साइंस के फील्ड में उन्होंने जिन्होंने अचीव किया है वो सब बैठे हुए हैं। तो उनके आधार पर हम भी कुछ नया, कुछ सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स को आइडेंटिफाई करते हुए कुछ इनोवेटिव आइडियाज के आधार पर कुछ नया करने के लिए प्रेरित होंगे। देन ओनली वी कैन से द बेसिक पर्पज ऑफ विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन हैव बीन फुलफिल्ड। आप इस दृष्टि से करेंगे ऐसा विश्वास मैं मानता हूं। विज्ञान भारती के कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते से आपका आह्वान करता हूं कि आप सब उस दृष्टि से विचार करिए और उस आधार पर ये साइंटिफिक जो प्रोसेस है ये कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस है। केवल इस नेशनल कैंप में हमने पार्टिसिपेशन किया और ये कैंप अभी वैलेडिक्टरी सेशन के साथ में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तो इससे हमारा जो विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन का बेसिक पर्पज है वो पूरा नहीं हो रहा। ये तो अभी स्टार्टिंग है, दिस इज बिगिनिंग ओनली। इस बिगिनिंग के आधार पर हम उस प्रकार के साइंटिस्ट बनने के लिए, उस प्रकार का सोशल सिस्टम को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए, नेचर को उस ढंग से फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम उस प्रकार का काम करेंगे तो विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन का जो बेसिक पर्पज है वो फुलफिल होगा। आप अवश्य करेंगे, इस प्रकार का विश्वास है। और जो अभिभावक बंधु भगिनी यहाँ उपस्थित हैं उनसे मेरा निवेदन रहेगा विज्ञान भारती के कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते से कि वो इन विद्यार्थियों को मोटिवेट करें, प्रोत्साहित करें उस दृष्टि से जो इनके मस्तिष्क में, और विशेष करके टीचर्स से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, जब आउट ऑफ द सिलेबस, आउट ऑफ द कोर्स जब कोई विद्यार्थी क्वेश्चन पुट अप करता है तो बहुत बार हमारे टीचर्स को प्रॉब्लम होती है। आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर वन टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल। इन क्लास 7 our teacher was teaching what is the nature of hard water, how you convert the hard water into soft water. One student raised up his hand, "Sir, according to your lesson, I understand how convert the hard water into soft water, but till now I did not understand what is the basic nature of water. Is it hard, is it soft?" दिस इज द इनोवेटिव क्वेश्चन। मैं ये समझ नहीं पाया कि पानी की मूल प्रकृति क्या है, व्हाट इज द बेसिक नेचर ऑफ द वाटर, इज इट हार्ड, इज इट सॉफ्ट। जब ऐसा कोई प्रश्न आता है, इनोवेटिव प्रश्न आता है, तो वे टीचर से सिट डाउन, एवरी टाइम अलग अलग प्रकार का क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चन यू आर रेजिंग। ऐसे क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चन आपके मस्तिष्क में आने चाहिए। ये इनोवेटिव क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, देन आपका जो विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन का बेसिक पर्पज है वो सॉल्व होगा, वो उसमें फुलफिल होगा। आपको माँ शारदा उस प्रकार की प्रेरणा दें और अभी सभी अभिभावक और हमारे जो एकेडमिक टीम के लोग बैठे हुए हैं वो सब आपको मोटिवेट करें, उस प्रकार का चांस उपलब्ध करवाएं, ऐसा आह्वान करते हुए मैं अपनी बात पूर्ण करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आपके आशीर्वचनों के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद महोदय। अब मैं आज के विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन राष्ट्रीय कैंप के समापन समारोह सत्र के विशिष्ट अतिथि महोदय को आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा। आप निदेशक हैं भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान के और साथ ही साथ आपको 2003 में शांति स्वरूप भटनागर पुरस्कार भी प्राप्त हुआ। 2008 में गणित के लिए पहला इन्फोसिस पुरस्कार भी प्राप्त हुआ। 2013 में भारत के चौथे सर्वोच्च नागरिक पुरस्कार पद्मश्री से भी आप सम्मानित हैं और आप विज्ञान भारती ब्रह्मावर्त कानपुर प्रांत के प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में, अध्यक्ष के रूप में भी आप अपना हम लोगों को आशीर्वाद देते रहते हैं। मैं आप सादर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा मनीन्द्र अग्रवाल सर को।
Professor Abhay Karandikar, Secretary, DST, Dr. Sharma, Organizing Secretary, Vigyan Parishad, all the dignitaries on the dais and sitting in front of me, all the students and their parents, and also my colleagues from IIT Kanpur. As I said yesterday to the students that I hope you will have a great time over 2 days to not only learn interesting things during these sessions, but also spending time with each other and enjoying the company. And I hope that has happened. Has it happened? Very few have said so. That you didn't really enjoy your stay here? Yeah, you did? Okay. Good to know. All the good things must come to an end. So we are now coming to a close of this 2-day event. But rather, I just hope that you will take great learnings from this back to your own schools and continue on the path of scientific inquiry. You know, scientific inquiry is the method where you want to demonstrate or exhibit certain facts through first making an hypothesis, then collecting evidence for that, and making sure that you present it in a way that everybody understands. Now this method, although sometimes can be a little painstaking, may take time, but what it guarantees is that once you have established something, it remains established. Of course, there can always be improvements, modifications, but the broad concept gets established. And then everybody can make use of that to build further. So collectively as a human society, we make great progress through this method. We have made great progress through this method. And the results of this are evident everywhere in all parts of our lives. So I hope that this young generation sitting in front of me will take this forward and take the country to much greater heights than the previous generations have been able to do. And with that, I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now be launching website of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan 25-26. I would now request Professor Abhay Karandikar to kindly do the honors.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद महोदय। विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन 2025-26 की वेबसाइट का लॉन्च हो गया है और मैं समझता हूं कि यहाँ पे कक्षा 6 के जो विद्यार्थी हैं वो कक्षा 7 के लिए, 7 वाले 8 के लिए इस तरह से आगे रजिस्टर करेंगे इस प्रोग्राम में। अब कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं आज के कार्यक्रम के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा, लेकिन उससे पहले एक छोटा सा संक्षिप्त परिचय मैं आपका देना चाहूँगा। प्रोफेसर अभय करिंदीकर सर एक प्रतिष्ठित भारतीय शिक्षाविद, इंजीनियर और प्रशासक हैं। वर्तमान में भारत सरकार के विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी विभाग DST में सचिव के पद पर कार्यरत हैं और ये भूमिका उन्होंने अक्टूबर 2023 में संभाली थी। DST में अपनी वर्तमान भूमिका से पहले वे अप्रैल 2018 से लेकर सितंबर 2023 तक IIT कानपुर के निदेशक के रूप में कार्य कर रहे थे। वे IIT बॉम्बे में इंस्टीट्यूट चेयर प्रोफेसर और इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग विभाग के प्रमुख भी थे। प्रोफेसर करिंदीकर कई राष्ट्रीय पहलों में सहायक रहे हैं, विशेष रूप से दूरसंचार के क्षेत्र में। टेलीकॉम स्टैंडर्ड्स डेवलपमेंट सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया TSDSI के संस्थापक सदस्य और पूर्व अध्यक्ष भी थे आप, जो दूरसंचार के लिए भारत का मानक निकाय है। आपने IEEE और 3GPP मानकों में योगदान किया है। उन्होंने भारतीय दूरसंचार नियामक प्राधिकरण ट्राई के अंशकालिक सदस्य के रूप में भी काम किया है। उनकी शोध रुचियों में वायरलेस संचार, वायर्ड वायरलेस नेटवर्क में सेवा की गुणवत्ता और संसाधन आवंटन, किफ़ायती ब्रॉडबैंड पहुंच के लिए TV वाइट स्पेस सॉफ्टवेयर डिफाइनिंग और फ्यूगल 5G नेटवर्क शामिल हैं। मैं सर को तहे दिल से आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा कि आप आएँ, हम अपने आशीर्वचनों से हमें अनुग्रहित करें सर।
Thank you very much. So have you all enjoyed this? So, आदरणीय Dr. Shiv Kumar Sharma ji, Organizing Secretary of Vigyan Bharati, Professor Manindra Agrawal, Director of IIT Kanpur, Professor Ram Kumar, Professor Ganti Murthy, Professor Sunil Mishra, Dr. Arvind Ranade, Dr. Brajesh Pandey, all the distinguished guests, my dear students, parents, and all other invitees. Let me begin first by congratulating all of you for showing this enthusiasm and the spirit with which you have participated in this great movement, which Dr. Shiv Kumar Sharma explained to you that what we are looking is a big national Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. It gives me an immense joy to be part of this celebration. As all of you know that Vigyan Bharati is a national science movement which is led by the eminent scientists and academicians and educationists for contributing towards the overall development of the nation and for inculcating the scientific temperament. And when I say the scientific temperament, it is not just making everyone a student of science, but the scientific temperament in your all walks of life. Vibha has been conducting activities, various activities for the development of scientific temperament, for the advancement of science through various state units across the country, and this program, Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, happens to be one of the largest programs which involves participation from more than 1.5 lakh students across the country. And as you know that we also have the students from outside the country also, from several Gulf nations. Today, this hall, it is not just a group of students and it is not just a group of students who are participating in this Manthan, but I would say that it is a launch pad for imagination and creativity. And as some students mentioned in their feedback, that this platform, Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, provided them an opportunity to explore their creative ideas, experiential learning, and also experiment with what they had not thought in the curriculum or in the classroom teachings in their schools. When I see all these students here who have been participating, I don't see them as students, but as I see, as Dr. Arvind Ranade was also mentioning, as the budding scientists, innovators, leaders of tomorrow, engineers, problem solvers, and future scientists. And let me mention you that this future really belongs to all of you. Our country has made significant progress in the recent years. As all of you know, that we had spectacular scientific breakthroughs from the Chandrayaan mission to the development of COVID vaccine. More recently, the government has launched several mission mode programs for making our country not only a scientific superpower or a developed nation, but also a country which develops technologies and products indigenously in our country in almost all areas of science and engineering. Our department, particularly our Ministry of Science and Technology, has been leading the National Quantum Mission, whose objective is to develop quantum computers, quantum communication devices, quantum sensings, and so on. Our sister ministries like Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has also been leading the India AI mission for making our country a superpower in artificial intelligence. We have Department of Space, Department of Atomic Energy, and other ministries, including Department of Biotechnologies, launching several mission mode programs in areas of biomanufacturing, biotechnology, advanced medical technologies, space technologies, and so on. And in this context, I must mention that all of you as a student have a great future. Today, we are living in interesting times where science and technology plays an important role in almost all aspects of life and in almost all spheres. And therefore, this training that you are getting by demonstrating your curiosity, by participating in experiential learning, and by interacting with your peers from different states and different cities and different colleges will give you an opportunity for really driving the future of our country in science and technology. To all of you, I must mention that never stop asking questions. Let the failures be, your part, and don't get disillusioned or disheartened if you get into some failed experiments. It is in fact will be a step closer to your success. Today we are going to award the prize winners of this competition. Of course, given the fact that we only can recognize limited students, I should say that rest of you should not get disheartened, but I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate not only the prize winners, but actually all of you who have wholeheartedly participated in this. Apart from several scientific policies that the government has launched, for us, developing technology indigenously and becoming a scientific superpower is not an endpoint, but a journey towards becoming a fully developed nation, or as Honorable Prime Minister says, Viksit Bharat by 2047. By 2047, by next 25 years, will be the year where all of you will be in primes of your career. Many of you will be your scientific leaders, and some of you may be actually driving the technological evolution of our country. And in this journey towards becoming a Viksit Bharat is a cultivation of scientific temper and critical thinking, and a desire to learn that you should always carry all along your life. And as Dr. Sharma also mentioned, that end of your school career or college or university career should not make you, should not lose the studentship or the desire of learning in you. As a matter of fact, the National Education Policy 2020 emphasizes the development of scientific temperament in students, recognizing its critical role in nation building and encouraging a more rational and inquisitive approach to the learning. It emphasizes this through a holistic education system that promotes the critical thinking, creativity, and a deep understanding of science and technology. We are, of course, now in a phase where we have implemented the National Education Policy in all schools and colleges and universities, and I hope that this movement, which is being launched by Vigyan Bharati, will help in accelerating the promotion of scientific temperament and creative thinking in all of you. Before I conclude, I would like to leave you with this thought from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, that dreams are not what you see in sleep, dreams are those that don't let you sleep. Keep dreaming, keep experimenting, and who knows that one of you sitting here might be tomorrow's great scientists, tomorrow's leaders, and who knows, tomorrow's DST secretary or the director of IIT Kanpur. Thank you. Thank you once again. And I would like to wish you all the best, not only for the result announcement that is going to happen now, but for all your future endeavors. I would also like to congratulate the parents for motivating their students, and I would like to tell them that they should continue to do so. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. Students, you have to hold your breath. You are just stone throw distance from the prize distribution. But before that, we would like to conclude this extraordinary event by inviting Professor Prashant Kodigre, National Convener VVM, to deliver the vote of thanks, expressing gratitude to all who made this event a success.
Namaste everyone. Believe me, this is the most difficult task assigned to me. And the reason is, this is just not vote of thanks for 2-day national camp. This is a vote of thanks for the one whole year journey, because we are going to conclude the 2025 edition and starting the next edition. So there are many people who have tirelessly worked for the throughout the year success of VVM. Before I start, I want to express my profound gratitude to respected Professor Abhay Karandikar sir, Secretary Department of Science and Technology, who is extremely busy, but because of his love to students, he agreed and he participated in our valedictory program. So big round of applause for Professor Abhay Karandikar, Secretary Department of Science and Technology, for coming here and blessing our students. Thank you, sir. I want to also express my deepest gratitude to Professor Manindra Agrawal, such a wonderful host. Did you enjoy your stay at IIT Kanpur? Under his leadership, several committees, they tirelessly worked. And Professor Agrawal, you will be delighted to know that many students want to come back to IIT Kanpur. How many of you want to come back to IIT Kanpur? Look at this. So you should be happy that they love this particular campus. And in fact, some of them, they told that they want to stay here and continue. Maybe they can join subsequently. So this is such a beautiful campus, and IIT Kanpur is such a beautiful host. So thank you, sir, for giving us opportunity to have national camp at IIT Kanpur. For our inaugural session, we were privileged to have two distinguished Indian scientists, Professor Ashutosh Sharma ji, who is president of INSA, and Dr. Shekhar Mande, who was former DG of CSIR and also happens to be president of Vigyan Bharati. I also express my profound gratitude for both of them for participating in our inaugural program. The man who is sitting next to Brajesh ji, he was backbone for all our preparations. Professor Jay Ramkumar ji and a wonderful team of IIT faculty members that included Dr. Saurabh Tomar ji, Kantesh Balani ji, Kaustubh Kulkarni ji, Manoj Tiwari ji, Sudhanshu Shekhar ji, Ark Verma ji. Please stand up. That's my humble request to you. Aditya Kelkar ji, Prerna Gautam ji, Lalatu Chandra ji, Neeraj Chauke ji, Lalit Saraswat, Saurabh Mishra ji, and hundreds of other volunteers who have tirelessly worked. Believe me, they had sleepless nights serving you. They did that because you are amazing guest. They understand potential which is present in you, and they know that you are future, and therefore they not only worked hard but they enjoyed your company. So my thanks to all those volunteers who for last several weeks or several months, they're working under different committees such as food, accommodation, transport, and as well as in the evaluation process too. Students were having their examination, but at the same time, parents were also not free. They were engaged in very interesting, interactive and scientific sessions. I express my gratitude to all the speakers who gave very enlightening and very interesting interactive sessions both on Saturday and Sunday. Did you like them? So that should be reflected in your applause. An event like this, a massive event like this, also need help monetarily. And I am very happy to acknowledge help from National Quantum Mission. A big round of applause. Shiksha, Center for IKS at IIT Kanpur. Sushikshit, Center for Ganga. Sathi, Kotak School of Sustainability, NPTEL's MOOC. All these are under IIT Kanpur, and they have helped us to successfully have this program. So a big round of applause for all these people. Outside IIT Kanpur, we had help received from Paliwal Diagnostics Private Limited. So a big thanks for their group also. Some of our guests, they are staying outside Kanpur. So those students, international students coming from Gulf countries, they were staying into the neighboring campus. So I express my profound gratitude for Professor Vinay Pathak, Vice Chancellor, Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj Vishwavidyalaya, for giving us opportunity to host our students. I also express gratitude to Girish Prasad Dikshit ji, who is Director of Indian Institute of Pulse Research, the neighboring institute. So thank you, sir, for your cooperation. I thank Pratibha Mishra ji and two student leaders, Yogesh Singh ji and Shivam Trivedi ji. Under their leadership, our volunteer team was tirelessly working. Volunteers, you were the backbone of National Camp. You were there fighting in the front line. Thank you very much. Along with these people from IIT Kanpur, hundreds of Karyakarta of Brahmavarta Vijnana Bharati, they were also working shoulder to shoulder. So thank you very much, local Kanpur Prant Vijnana Bharati. As I mentioned that this is not a valedictory program of National Camp, but this is also closing for our 1 year's edition of VVM. And this is not 2-day event for all of us. We are very passionate educators who are helping us throughout the year. And I happen to be just Wisebox, I'm just a representative of them. Our academic committee of 50 plus academicians from IITs, NITs and renowned colleges, they work tireless to have very interesting questions. All those 4-5 students, they were praising the questions which were there in VVM. So big round of applause for our academic team working tirelessly for the first state level camp and the national camp. Along with them, many evaluators helped us so that this is the only camp. We started our registration at 9 o'clock, inauguration at 9 o'clock, and by 5 o'clock we have prize distribution. So in a matter of 10-12 hours, we are able to have some 90 jewels coming out of here. That is because of tireless efforts of our academic committee members. There are some soldiers on the ground which are faceless, and these are our state coordinators. They make efforts throughout the year. All of them, they have their professional commitments, but despite that, they spend lot of time making sure that they visit multiple cities, multiple schools, meeting to principals, parents, conducting endless meetings so that we complete our registration camps. So thank you, our state coordinators. VVM is not complete without you, and VVM deserves people like you. And I hope that the parents who are sitting here will join you and become part of your team. Your journey will not end here. All those 90 winners, 18 Himalayans and 72 zonal winners, will get opportunity to have 1 year of mentorship. Our mentorship team under leadership of Dr. Sudhakar ji is ensuring that the next season program, we already started planning. And I'm happy to tell you that July 2nd week, these 90 winners will be there in Mumbai visiting 8-10 different institutes, including IIT Bombay, TIFR, BARC and many more. Throughout this journey, we have a separate IT team which helps us. So there are many experts from that particular IT team, including Naresh Safekar ji, Nandakumar Palkar ji, and our members from Web Beta family who are helping us. So my big thanks to all of them. And also thank to असंख्य कार्यकर्ता ऑफ विज्ञान भारती जो भारत के हर कोने से, हर स्टेट से, वो लद्दाख से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक, अरुणाचल प्रदेश से लेके गुजरात, लक्षद्वीप तक, ये इंश्योर करते हैं कि विज्ञान भारती जैसा एक विज्ञान भारती का आयाम बहुत सक्सेसफुली चलता है. तो मेरे उन असंख्य कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए भी बहुत बहुत आभार. विज्ञान भारती हमारा एक मेन आधार स्तंभ है, लेकिन हमारे साथ कोई और पार्टनर इंस्टीट्यूट्स है. हमारे 2 ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है, NCERT, उनका धन्यवाद, और NCSM, कैलाश जी यहाँ बैठे हैं, तो नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर साइंस म्यूजियम, इन्हीं के साथ हमारी पार्टनरशिप जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय, केंद्रीय विद्यालय, CBSE, ICSE और ऑलमोस्ट एवरी स्टेट बोर्ड के साथ हम सतत संपर्क में रहते हैं, और उनके सबके सहयोग से ये कार्यक्रम सक्सेसफुल होता है. तो इन सारे अधिकारी, इनके ऑफिशियल्स, उनके लिए धन्यवाद. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, थैंक यू पेरेंट्स फॉर बीइंग सच ए वंडरफुल गेस्ट. I know when we have such a big program, there will be some hiccups, and I sincerely apologize from bottom of my heart as a national convener if there was some inconvenience. We will seek feedback from you and will ensure that next year's VVM camp will be even better. And the main applaud is for the hero of today's program, who? Our students. So thank you for being here. This program is for you. You are the main hero for this particular event. I am sure that you are desperately waiting for results. We will soon have those results and hand it over to the team. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रशांत जी इस अद्भुत वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए। और एग्ज़ामिनेशन के बाद रिजल्ट्स के डिक्लेरेशन का एक क्यूरोसिटी रहता है मन में, तो वो जल्दी से ख़त्म हो इसके लिए मैं हमारे कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्ज़ामिनेशन जो विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन के हैं डॉक्टर ब्रजेश जी से ये निवेदन करूंगा कि वो परिणामों की घोषणा करें।
नमस्कार। आप लोगों की तालियां, आप लोगों के चेहरे का उत्साह ये बता रहा है कि कितने मेहनत से आप लोगों ने 2 दिन से इस समय की प्रतीक्षा की है। आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई। हमारे मंच पे आसीन गुरुजनों का बहुत बहुत आभार जिन्होंने आज आकर के समय दिया है आपको आशीर्वचन के लिए। मैं रिजल्ट अनाउंस करूं उसके पहले मंच के लिए कुछ डेटा। इस वर्ष लगभग 1.25 लाख बच्चों ने प्रथम लेवल का एग्ज़ाम दिया था। उसमें से 4,750 से अधिक बच्चों को स्टेट लेवल कैंप के लिए हम लोगों ने 38 कैंप पे आमंत्रित किया और उनका एग्ज़ाम हुआ। इन 38 कैंप से 456 स्टूडेंट नेशनल लेवल कैंप के लिए आमंत्रित किए गए। इनके अलावा 20 बच्चे 20 स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम जीसीसी कंट्रीज। आउट ऑफ 456, 415 स्टूडेंट्स वेर अपीयर्ड, 91%, मोर देन 91%. So I think this is maximum attendance. So आप अपने लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली बजा सकते हैं, पेरेंट के लिए बजा सकते हैं। सर, रिजल्ट के पहले ये जो नेशनल लेवल कैंप है, हमने क्लास 6 से 11th बच्चों के लिए 10 डिफरेंट आयामों में हमने एग्ज़ाम लिया। 10 अलग अलग तरीके की प्रतिभाओं के चयन के लिए अलग अलग कंपोनेंट रखे और उन सभी में इनका जो परफॉर्मेंस है उसके आधार पर आज का रिजल्ट है। मेरे हिसाब से सारे बच्चे विनर हैं जो यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं। यह एक औपचारिकता है कि किसी को प्रथम द्वितीय दिया जाएगा, लेकिन आप सभी विनर हैं और सभी को विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन की टीम की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। अभी हम जोनल विनर और उसके बाद हिमालयन जो हैं उनका हम अनाउंसमेंट करेंगे। हिमालयन जो हमारे 18 स्टूडेंट होंगे उनका आईआईटी कानपुर के डायरेक्टर के साथ अभी इसी समय अनाउंसमेंट के बाद उनकी एक मीटिंग है, उनका आशीर्वचन आपको मिलेगा। तो जो हिमालयन 18 हैं उनको प्राइज अपने लेने के बाद मंच के पीछे रुकना है थोड़ी देर। मैं कुछ जो जीसीसी मेंबर हैं उनके तरफ से हमारे पास अनुरोध है कि उनका पहले कर दिया जाए, कुछ लोगों को बाहर जाना है। तो जो हमारे जीसीसी मेंबर के स्टूडेंट हैं उनको मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा। सभी से अनुरोध है, जो स्टूडेंट हैं नाम आने के बाद आप अपने तरफ से राइट साइड से आएँ, मंच पे अपना सर्टिफिकेट और जो भी पुरस्कार है यहाँ से प्राप्त करें। लेफ्ट साइड में आकर के और यहाँ से इधर से उतर के जाएंगे। बीच में कुछ सिग्नेचर कीज हैं यहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं सिग्नेचर करने के। ओके, बैक यहाँ से जाएंगे। एक बार पुनः राइट साइड से आएंगे, अपना पुरस्कार सर्टिफिकेट लेकर के बैक साइड में जाएंगे, कुछ सिग्नेचर करने होंगे और वहाँ से बाहर आके वहाँ पे खड़े होंगे। मैं जीसीसी मेंबर के क्लास 6 से जो विनर हैं उनका नाम डैश से मेरा अनुरोध है कि प्लीज़ बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए कृपया आगे आएं। क्लास 6 सेकेंड जीसीसी मेंबर से मानसू कंदिथोटा। ये हैं राजगिरी पब्लिक स्कूल अबू हमर दोहा कतर। सेकेंड प्राइज फ्रॉम जीसीसी मानसू काडीथोटा, राजगिरी पब्लिक स्कूल अबू हमर दोहा कतर। इसी क्रम में सर्टिफिकेट्स इसी क्रम में प्रथम पुरस्कार क्लास 6 रेहान अहमद इंडियन स्कूल बूसर अल अवाबी अल अनाब मस्कट। रेहान अहमद। क्लास 7 फर्स्ट प्राइज हृदय सुनील, प्लीज कम ऑन दैट साइड। क्लास 8 सेकेंड प्राइज एस श्याम श्रीनिवास इंडियन स्कूल सलालाह ओमान। क्लास 8 फर्स्ट प्राइज नेहा पटिबंडला। क्लास 9 फर्स्ट प्राइज समिता अधिगा। क्लास 10 सेकेंड प्राइज प्रियदर्शनी बालामुरुगन। क्लास 10th फर्स्ट प्राइज अर्नव राय। क्लास 10th सेकेंड प्राइज प्रियदर्शनी बालामुरुगन बिरला पब्लिक स्कूल अबू हमर दोहा कतर। क्लास 10th फर्स्ट प्राइज अर्नव राय FAIPS DPS हमादी कुवैत। अलेवेंथ क्लास फर्स्ट प्राइज लोहिताक्षिता पाती बिरला पब्लिक स्कूल दोहा कतर। Sir, next is our zonal winner, and for zonal winner junior class, I would like to invite our chief editor, Dr. Venkat Ramanji, to announce the winners. These winners will be given certificate, mementos, and first will be given 5,000, second will be given 3,000, and third winner will be given 2,000 cash prize.
Namaste. The prize money is actually you will be sent a link. You have to fill the forms, then we will send you the money. Now I announce the winners. First Nard Zone. Third place Soham Singh. School Zodmal Public School Jammu. The second place Ujjwal Singhal Koteya, Delhi Public School Rohini North. The first place, Madhya Masood Anwar from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Narela, North Delhi. The East Zone, The third place goes to Pranit Narayan, DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur, Bhubaneswar. The second place of East Zone goes to Sagnik Das, Alan Carrier Institute, Bhubaneswar. The first place of East Zone goes to Ayan Karmakar, DAV Model School, IIT Kharagpur. Please don't stop applauding the children. These children are amazing children. Right from the 6 to 11, amazing children. I can tell you one small thing. One 6th standard student asked me a question, sir, Bose science and condension, how photons can be frozen. 6th class student. I was shocked completely. I'm announcing the next zone. The third prize goes to Anvit Neeraj Shah, Millennium National Public School, Pune. The second prize of West Zone, Avi Gupta, Hiranandani Foundation School, Thane. The first prize of West Zone, Avadut Anand Kelekar, Yavatmal Public School, Yavatmal. The examination, whole thing is a 500 minutes examination for in 2 days. 500 minutes. Generally the examination 180 minutes maximum. This is a 500 minutes. It's not possible to sit in one place. 10 dimensions. The South Zone. The third prize, Rishik Narasimha Devaraya, Sanskrit International School, Kondapur, Hyderabad. Yes. Second prize, Mr. Arun Kareka, Rashtrotana Vidya Nikendra, Bengaluru North. The first prize, Dhritiman Sengupta, Alan Carrier, Bengaluru. Now I am announcing the 7th class, North Zone. Third place goes to Avesh Gupta, Janaki Das Kapoor Public School, Sonipat. The second place goes to Atharu Porwal, Alan Carrier, Kanpur. The North Zone, first place goes to Arjun Mishra, Seth M.R. Jaipuria School, Lucknow. This is South Zone. North Zone in the 7th class. इसके हिसाब में रखा है. नाम बताओ ना. यहाँ खड़े हुए बच्चे सब. धृतिमान सेनगुप्ता. एक तरफ. बच्चे सब नीचे खड़े हैं. साउथ जोन 6 हो गया. धृतिमान क्या बोल रहे, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? साउथ जोन फर्स्ट प्राइज धृतिमान सेनगुप्ता, एलन कैरियर, बंगलुरु. I'll repeat the 7th class, North Zone, third prize, Avesh Gupta. North Zone second prize Atharo Porwal. North Zone 7th class first prize Arjun Mishra. In a class 7 East Zone, third prize goes Adya Vats, Dev International Public School, Jajapur, Jaipur. The East Zone second prize goes to Srijan Kumar, Lady K.C. Roy Memorial School, Kanke, Ranchi. The first prize of the East Zone goes to Devangana Mandal, St. Mary Higher Secondary School, Kuch Bigar. The West Zone. The third prize of the West Zone in the class 7 goes to Darsh Aldia, Delhi Public School, Jodhpur. The West Zone second prize goes to Vriddhi Dheeraj Rati, Poddar International School, Akola. The West Zone first prize Ritisha Jain, Delhi Public School, Udaipur. South Zone 7th section, third prize goes to Srinand Suresh Warrior, Velammal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam, Kanchipuram. The second prize goes to Param Mehta, the Samhita Academy, Bangalore. The first prize of the South Zone goes Pragyan Jyotibal, Genesis International School, Rangareddy. The class 8th, North Zone, third prize goes to Pranjal Pradap Singh, Sunbeam English School, Varanasi. The second place goes to Saranya Malhotra, Queen Mary School, Model Town, Northwest Delhi. The first prize of the North Zone, class 8, goes to Bal Bharati Public School, Noida. G Zone next. East Ogan. The West Zone of second prize. First prize, North Zone. North Zone first prize goes to Bhumika Das, Bal Bharati Public School. ये हो गया ना? East Zone third prize goes to Aranya Kumar, Alan Carrier, Ranchi. तो नहीं आई ये बच्ची भूमिका दास. The East Zone second prize goes to Shreyam Pal, Techno India, Jalpaiguri. East Zone first prize goes to Niladri Mishra, DAV Public School, Bhubaneswar. The West Zone third prize goes to Shreya Saxena, Delhi Public School, Neelbad, Bhopal. West Zone, second prize goes to Dheer Vivek Gadodia, Alan Career Institute, Mumbai. West Zone, first prize goes to Sarakshi Praveen Wagmare, St. Anthony National School, Wardha. Now I am announcing the South Zone. Third prize, Aditya Suhas Nair, Rajagiri Kristu, Jayanti Public School, Kochi. South Zone, second prize goes to Sparsh Gaur, the Samhita Academy, Bangalore. The first prize of the South Zone goes to Johan George Philip, Belveris Church Residential School, Tiruvalla. Class 9th, the third prize go to Zahira Mahzar, Gail BAV Public School, Gail Gadon, Auruya. The second place goes to Namish Durgapal, Amity International School, Gurgaon. The first place goes to Sanat Kumar, Sunbeam School, Mughal Sarai. The East Zone, third place, class 9th, Arnav Sanjeev Mishra, St. Joseph Convent Higher Secondary School, Sambalpur. East Zone, second prize goes to Prajakta Kundu, Alan Carrier, Fardipur, Durgapur. The East Zone first prize goes to Trishti Mukherjee, Agarsen DAV Public School, Ramgarh. The East Zone third prize is Arnav Sanjeev Mishra. East Zone second prize is Prajakta Kundu. Third prize, no? It's a East Zone now. बहुत देर से जा रहे हैं वहाँ. Third, that's the first prize is a Trishti Mukherjee. I'm announcing the West Zone, class 9th.
Thank you. We will have photograph for two this division GEC member and the junior group. So GEC member, this student, please come. We'll have a group photograph. They have to go. हाँ, ना ना यहीं पे आगे बैठ जाएंगे. Go जो go and sit. हाँ, हाँ, quickly go there. You can have, yes. Now I request zonal winner, junior division to come up for group photograph quickly. हाँ बुला लीजिए, आगे पीछे करा दीजिए, वही बैठ कुछ खड़ा आ रहे हैं क्या? अभी इसके बाद जोनल विनर सीनियर और हिमालयन का अनाउंसमेंट होना है। उसके बाद कार्यक्रम की समाप्ति राष्ट्रगान से होगा। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि राष्ट्रगान की समाप्ति तक अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें। ठीक है। अब we are now going to the next step of the announcement. I would like to invite our academic head, Dr. Neeru Bhagat, Principal Sant Mira College, Pune, to announce the winners of junior group, senior group zonal winner of senior group. Dr. Neeru Bhagat.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before I continue with this result, I have a small announcement. There's a boy named Paras who has misplaced the bag. And if anyone else has his bag, please return it to us and we'll give it to him. So here I'm going to announce, and again before announcing, let me remind you that we have cash prizes. And for the cash prize, there will be links sent to all of you. Please fill in the details and the money will come into your bank account. Okay, so here we are, North Zone. Third prize goes to Zehra Mazhar, Gale DAV Public School, Uttar Pradesh. Namish Durga, second prize goes to Namish Durgapal, Amity International School, Gurgaon, Haryana. And the first prize goes to Sanat Kumar, Sunbeam School, Uttar Pradesh. Chandoli, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations all of you. Please come here soon and quickly. May I proceed to the East Zone because I don't see the North Zone people coming here. So for the East Zone, the third prize goes to Arnav Mishra. Okay. For the North Zone, I hope they're all here. Let me just announce the names again. Zehra Mazhar, the third prize goes to Zehra Mazhar. Second prize goes to Namish Durgapal. And the first prize goes to Sanat Kumar. For the East Zone, the third prize goes to Arnav Mishra, St. Joseph Convent Higher Secondary School, Sambalpur, Odisha. Second prize goes to Prajakta Kundu, Ellen Career Institute, Durgapur, West Bengal. And the first prize goes to Trishit Mukherjee, Agrasen DAV Public School, Ramgarh, Jharkhand. Are the students here? Okay. For the West Zone, third prize goes to Reyansh Patel, Sagar Public School, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Second prize goes to Ayush Kumar, Ellen Career Institute, Pune, Maharashtra. First prize goes to Adarsh Dhal, OP Jindal School, Raigad, Chhattisgarh. Congratulations, and I hope you are here. So I proceed to the South Zone because I don't see the students coming here. I'm proceeding to the South Zone. Third prize goes to Saket Mahapatra, DAV Public School, Medchal, Telangana. Second prize goes to Rishabh Vinod, Bhavans Vidya Mandir, Ernakulam, Kerala. The first prize goes to Srijani Bhaduri, Bangalore, Urban, Karnataka, from National Public School. South Zone students, Saket Mahapatra, Rishabh Vinod and Srijani Bhaduri. These were class 9 students. Now I'm going to announce class 10. Class 10, North Zone. Aryan Chabra, DAV Public School, Amritsar, Punjab. Second prize goes to Abhas Sahu, APJ School, Panchsheel Park, South Delhi. First prize goes to Dhruv Goyal, Ellen Career Institute, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. These were North Zone. Congratulations, Class 10 North Zone. Now moving on to East Zone, Swayam Mishra, DAV Public School, Angul, Odisha. That is the third prize. Second prize goes to Ayushpal, Sarda Vidya Mandir, Raiganj, West Bengal. And the first prize goes to Bitansh Mishra, DAV Model School. This is Bardhaman, West Bengal. Congratulations, all of you. I'm announcing for the West Zone now. Please be prepared to line up here. Third prize goes to Usnis Hoi, Ellen Career Institute, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Second prize goes to Anvi Mundada, Ellen Career Institute, Pune, Maharashtra. And the first prize goes to Shriyansh Datta Tiwari, Ellen Institute, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations, and please hurry up. Okay, we proceed to the South Zone. Third prize goes to Abhiram Nitin, Christ Nagar Central School, Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Second prize goes to Viraj Bope, Ishwara Tejo Viraj. This is also Tirumala English Medium School, East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. And the first prize goes to Sri Lakshmi Venkatraman, Jai Gopal Guradari, Garodia, Rashtrottam Vidya Kendra. This is from Bangalore North. So here we finish 10th. I'm just waiting for them to come up, and I'll start with class 11. Yeah. Class 11, I'm starting off with the North Zone. Ojaswit Pasricha is the third prize winner from Shilling House School, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. The second prize goes to Kavya Taneja, St. Anne's Convent School, Chandigarh. And the first prize goes to Rijul Chopra, JP Public School, Noida. Congratulations, 11th standard students. Yeah, are they coming up? East Zone, 11th standard. The third prize goes to Sukrit Majumdar, Delhi Public School, Kolkata. The second prize goes to Priyanko Dev Chaudhary, PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalay, Nagaon, Assam. And the first prize goes to Debansh Nayak, DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur, Khordha, Odisha. That is East Zone. So I proceed to the West Zone, 11th standard. Sanskriti Vinayak Pathak. Third prize goes to Sanskriti Vinayak Pathak, Adarsh Junior College, Akola, Maharashtra. The second prize goes to Vidushi Bisht, Delhi Public School, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And the first prize goes to Hitarth Darshanbhai Doshi, Ellen Career Institute, Rajkot, Gujarat. The last one that we have here is the South Zone for class 11. Third prize goes to Vibhisyan Manas Barua, Delhi Public School, Bangalore, Karnataka. The second prize goes to Punur Reddy, St. Andrews High School, Medchal, Telangana. And the first prize goes to K. Tejasya, Ellen Career Institute, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. That brings us to the end of the zonal winners. Now I'll call Dr. Brajesh Pandey to announce the Himalayan winners.
Thank you. Now you people are waiting for this Himalayans. We are at the Himalayan. I will go from class 6. I will ask quickly send them the winner to the stage for certificate and photographs. Himalayan, class 6. This is pin drive silence. Everybody waiting for their name. Let us have first round clap for everybody. Class 6, third position. Priyansha, BCM Arya Model Senior Secondary School, Shastri Nagar, Ludhiana East, Ludhiana, Punjab. Second prize, Brishiraj Sarkar, Dhaukimari DN High School, Dhaukimari, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. And first prize, class 6, Adya Abhyarth, class 6, first prize, Children Academy, Ashok Nagar, Kandivali West, Mumbai. दौड़ के आओ, दौड़ के. This is the. Now I'll go to the class 7. Class 7, third prize, Kalpita Rai, Garden High School, Valleyganj, Kolkata. Second prize, Arnav Arvindra Bhamre, Bal Shivaji Primary School, Akola, Maharashtra. First prize, class 7, Adya Paul, Atomic Energy Central School, Mumbai. Adya Paul, class, Adya Paul, come first. क्लास 8 थर्ड प्राइज जुबैन सिद्दीकी, एलन कैरियर इंस्टीट्यूट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, बर्धमान, बर्धमान वेस्ट बंगाल। सेकेंड प्राइज क्लास 8 काव्या पोद्दार, एलन कैरियर इंस्टीट्यूट गुवाहाटी, गुवाहाटी कामपुर कामरूप मेट्रोपोलियन असम। क्लास 8 फर्स्ट प्राइज खुशी मदन अफालकर, गुरुकुल ज्ञानपीठ सीबीएसई स्कूल, ध्यान रोड, संगवान, बुलंदा, महाराष्ट्र, ठाना, महाराष्ट्र। क्लास 9 थर्ड प्राइज अभिजीत कुमार झा, ग्रीन वैली हाई स्कूल, वडोदरा, गुजरात। क्लास 9 सेकेंड पोजीशन आर्यन शर्मा, द शिशुकुंज इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, इंदौर, मध्य प्रदेश। एंड क्लास 9 फर्स्ट प्राइज अहान दामले, एलन कैरियर इंस्टीट्यूट, कांदीवली, कांदीवली, मुंबई सिटी, महाराष्ट्र। क्लास 9 क्विकली कम। क्लास 10th थर्ड प्राइज चरमिन चरोला, एलन कैरियर इंस्टीट्यूट, राजकोट, गुजरात। क्लास 10th सेकेंड प्राइज तेजस कुमार, केशव सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर, सैनिक स्कूल, पटना रूरल, पटना, बिहार। क्लास 10 फर्स्ट प्राइज अमृता वर्षिनी ए, ट्री हाउस हाई स्कूल, पुणे सिटी, पुणे, महाराष्ट्र। अमृता वर्षिनी, नाउ लास्ट फाइनल क्लास 11th क्लास थर्ड प्राइज तनिष्क सिंगल, सागर पब्लिक स्कूल, हुजूर, भोपाल, मध्य प्रदेश। इलेवेंथ क्लास सेकेंड प्राइज सुनंद पी मेनन, भवंस विद्या मंदिर, एलामक्कर, कोची, एर्नाकुलम, केरला। 11th क्लास फर्स्ट प्राइज विक्रांत सिंह भदौरिया, दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल, रानीपुर, हरिद्वार, उत्तराखंड। अभी राष्ट्रगान विक्रांत सिंह, कम क्विकली, जल्दी आइए। आप सभी से अनुरोध है, अभी हम राष्ट्रगान करेंगे, उसके बाद फोटो सेशन होगा। राष्ट्रगान के लिए
सभी से निवेदन अपने स्थान पर सावधान की मुद्रा में खड़े हो जाएं।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे।
अभी कोई जाएगा नहीं, थोड़ी देर के लिए अपनी जगह पे बैठेंगे। जो हमारे विनर्स हैं, जो हमारे हिमालयंस हैं, उनके फोटोग्राफ्स होंगे। अभी मैं जोनल विनर सीनियर क्लास के बच्चों को मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफ के लिए। जोनल विनर सीनियर क्लास, सीनियर, जोनल विनर सीनियर, 5 मिनट और बैठे रहे, 5 मिनट। आप सभी के लिए रिफ्रेशमेंट है पैकेट, उसको कलेक्ट करने के बाद ही यहां से जाएं।
ओके, सो जोनल विनर सीनियर ग्रुप फोटो के लिए आएंगे। नेशनल विनर्स हिमालयन का भी फोटो होगा। और अभी ये विनर्स कहीं पर जाएंगे नहीं, इसी हॉल में रहेंगे। कुछ सर्टिफिकेट्स एक्सचेंज हो गए हैं, उनको हम लोग करेक्ट करेंगे। और जो गार्जियंस अभी अपना लगेज लेके आए हैं, उनको स्टेशन जाना है, वो ही केवल बाहर निकलेंगे, वहाँ उनको बस मिलेंगी। अदरवाइज जिनको यहाँ स्टे करना है वो ऐसे ही बैठे रहेंगे। प्लीज बी रिमेन सीटेड। और पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट्स बाहर रजिस्ट्रेशन काउंटर पर हैं, उसको कलेक्ट करेंगे। साथ में जो हिमालयंस हैं उनके मेमेंटो के प्रॉपर बॉक्सेस हैं, इसलिए वो बॉक्सेस कलेक्ट करेंगे। जूनियर सीनियर ग्रुप, जोनल विनर्स, नेशनल विनर्स अभी यहीं पर रुकेंगे। उनके सर्टिफिकेट्स एक बार रीचेक करेंगे, कहीं किसी का कोई एक्सचेंज ना हो। ओके, हिमालयंस प्लीज कम। जोनल विनर्स यहीं नीचे आगे वाली सीटों पर रुके रहेंगे। जोनल विनर्स नीचे अभी आगे वाली सीटों पर रुके रहेंगे, जाएंगे नहीं। और नेशनल विनर्स यानी कि हिमालयंस आगे आएंगे फोटो के लिए। सभी जोनल विनर्स अभी नीचे रुकेंगे। जूनियर और सीनियर दोनों ही एक बार आपका जोन चेक करेंगे सर्टिफिकेट मेमेंटो में। अगर कहीं कोई एक्सचेंज है तो उसको ठीक करेंगे।